In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Very honorable teachers, most respectable judges, admirable participants, and graceful guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The topic which is assigned to me today for verbally presentation is the importance of Islamic moral values. My respected judges, before going in detail for that topic, it is more important to describe what is Islam actually. Followers of Islam are called Muslims. Followers to Islam aim to live a life of complete submission of Allah. And the Holy Quran is the major holy text of Islam. The Quran consists of 114 chapters and 6,616 verses. Always remember the name of Allah. We have sent you, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, the messenger, but as a mercy to all people of the world. In fact, when we correlate Islam, Quran and life is our beloved messenger, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, then we get conclusion that Islam advocates strict ethical and moral standards. Dear students, it is important to know that coordination in Islamic societies bound by law and self-discipline is carried out under the regulation of social behavior norms. It has been a common view in Islamic societies that ethics with morality is talisman to the adjustment of interpersonal relationship. After all this, now we have looked at core point, means those moral values which Muslim you must follow to give ideal representation to receive at the day of judgment from Allah. Now let's have a look keys of Islamic moral values one by one. Number one, be patient, be sincere and obedient with Allah. The Arabic word sabr comes from a root meanings to refrain and stop. We should include patience in our life as a virtue which helps us to refrain and stop from doing what is wrong. My respected judges, Quran says about successful peoples, those who are patient, who are true and sincere devotion in their faith with Allah. Number two, spend in the way of Allah as per Quran wording, worship to Allah, and those who spend as wealth, zakat and alms, and pray, and those who pray big to Allah, pardon in the last hour of night. Number three, invoke Allah at night. You must perform tahajjud, which may be must performed in early, middle or latter part of night, but the obligatory Isha prayer. Number four, forgive and be kind to the people. One day, the last beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was present among their followers. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, do you know which act is most favorite that can lead to you Jannah? Followers in reply and said, one by one, Hajj, zakat, prayer, fasting. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, no, your morality, your behavior with other is most weighted virtue. May Allah and His beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, help and guide us in every field of life to spend a life according to Islamic moral values. Wassalam.